My name is Judith Nyata, Project Coordinator, ELCK Say No to FGM. The goal of this project is to eliminate FGM and some cultural practices that hinder the development of a woman. It is to restore dignity to women, to empower women through education and alternative ways of generating income and not FGM, to advocate for both women and children's rights. The project is supported by Lutheran World Federation as a pilot and national project. In Kenya, only 3 communities out of 42 do not practice FGM. This project commenced in October 2008 with an implementation within the Pokot community where FGM is most prevalent. Culture is one of the main factors we have to consider in this project. What is culture? Culture is a custom, it is a belief and a practice. In Africa communities, culture is based on hospitality, braveness, and courage. While other regions, it is based on logic and principles. Culture can be a wall or a bridge. If learned, it can bring a society together, enhancing political and socio-economic growth, while fostering a sense of identity, value, and security. On contrary, it can separate a society. In Kenya, we have a Kiswahili word that says, mwacha mila ni mtumwa, meaning whoever abandons culture is a slave. It can be looked at as one is an outcast, and it can be an abomination. We advocate for culture and education which will free our community from some cultural practices so that people can live in harmony, be ethical, mentally and physically fit. So, why do people stick on their culture in regards to FGM?